Hey guys, are you wondering how many stocks you should own? The act of investing is much like spearfishing. For the most part, you just have to stand still and wait for a big one to come along. So you have to be patient and selective. It only takes one or two big fishes at a time to feed a family, and that's the same thing with investing. Warren Buffett, one of the best investor, if not the best, who has a 58-year track record, said that his remarkable record of doubling the returns of the S&P 500 over the last 58 years is the result of only about a dozen of truly good decisions. That would be about one every 5 years. But this doesn't mean that Warren Buffett was sleeping or gallivanting 4 out of those 5 years. Going back to our spearfishing analogy, you have to be paying attention the whole time that you wait so that when that big fish shows up, you see it and you're prepared to use your best ability to use your spear and catch that big tuna fish. So, the amount of stocks you should own really depends on your ability, your resources like your time and money, and how many companies or great companies you come across. Some financial gurus will say 5 stocks is too little and 20 is too much, but I don't think there's a magical number that fits all investors. Any number will do as long as you follow these 3 rules. First, know what you own or understand what you own. Second, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And third, always make sure that you have enough so you can recover from any disasters. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube will know to show it to more people. Thank you.